Day 5 of Stardew Valley of Mustache's Farm. I'm Swag Beans. And I am playing Friday the 5th. And my challenge today will be I'm going to try to cut down 50 trees. Now, hold on, let me read what the forecast will be tomorrow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to do some fishing tomorrow. Okay, so, sorry, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh my gosh. Hi, Marnie. Yes, I do. And she's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I have no idea what I'm going to name her. I did not think about this. Of course I will. Are you kidding me? I have to think. You know what? I kinda, have Kesha on the brain. Because I was just talking about her. So, yeah. Kesha, my queen. Okay. Dear farmer, Swag Beans, I'd like to apologize for joking about your grandpa's old cottage when we first met. It's a really nice little house. However, you might need some more space someday. That's where I can help. If you bring me some raw materials and pay a fee, wow, I can expand your house. The first expansion I offer includes a kitchen. Wow. With a kitchen, you'll be able to cook any recipes you've learned. Anyway, I hope you're starting to feel at home in Stardew Valley. Your local carpenter, Robin. I got some new items in stock, a deluxe fishing bowl, and some bait that you can attach to it. You can use bait to make fish bite faster. Hope to see you soon. Yeah, I already knew that. Oh, Dr. Harvey, come on. Someone dropped you off at the clinic last night. You passed out from exhaustion. You got to take better care of yourself and go to bed at a reasonable hour. I billed you $131 to cover your medical expenses. Dr. Harvey. Our value Jojo our customers. Blah 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 blah. We do not care. Alright. Oh. So the challenge today is to cut 50 trees. Man, maybe I should just lower it to freaking 15 or something. Going to pull all these. Let's sell these. And I'll really have some good money coming in next day. Um, and since it's a little early, I'm gonna get started on my goal to cut some trees. What I'm planning on doing is only full trees. Full trees like the ones I'm doing right now. Sorry, you can't see the full thing. I need to count how many I need. I need to get at least 9. Okay, so I cut down 2 trees. 48 to go. I don't think there's even 50 trees in Stardew Valley. But you know, I'm gonna have stacks of fiber bars waiting for me at all times. I'm gonna be rich in fiber bars. Drink that Joja Cola. Oh, are you kidding me? I hate this scene. It takes forever. Oh, hi there. I'm not good at voices. but I'll try anyway. How about that? What an eyesore. Actually, I won't try. This is a Pelican Town Community Center, or what's left of it anyway. It used to be the pride and joy of this town, always bustling with activity. Bustling. Sorry. Now just look at it. It's shameful. These days, the young folk would rather sit in front of the TV than engage with community. Gosh, kids these days. But listen to me, I sound like an old fool. Joja Corporation has been hounding me to sell them this land so they can turn into a warehouse. Absolutely not. I hate Joja Cola. Pelican Town could use the money, but there's something stopping me from selling it. I guess old-timers like me get attached to relics of the past. Oh well. If anyone else buys a Joja Cola membership, I'm just gonna go ahead and sell it. Never. Let's go inside. That's why I have to fix community center. I hate Joja Cola. No more warehouses. Ugh. Dilapidated, but I remember. I don't even know what that word is. Louis, there's something behind you. What's the matter? Are you ill? It's gone. You saw something? I wouldn't be surprised if this place was full of rats. It's there, right behind you. Louis, turn around. It was just there. I swear. You're worrying me, Swag Beans. Louis, I swear I saw it. Look, I think I'm going to head home. I need some lunch. Hey, I'll keep this place unlocked from now on. Maybe you can help catch that rat if you have some extra time. Always doing Lewis's dirty work. What else is he gonna have me do? Jeez Louise. Well, you know what? At least I got to pick up an extra flower for some extra dough. Don't you know? It's already 11? Oh my gosh. I've only cut down 6 trees. I still have to plant some stuff. Should I get some tulips? I think I'm gonna get some tulips. And then a potato. And then I'll get 5 parsnip seeds. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da-da. Yeah. Do, 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 do. Now, I'm hoping one of those pesky crows don't try to eat my plants that I worked so hard to take care of. I eat some fiber bars because I'm starving. I have the rest on hand with me. I got some more. Hold on. I'm getting a little picky. I forgot what I was saying. I don't care. That's why I guess editing is good. But I want it to feel like I'm right in the room with you guys. I'm right there watching you. That's what I want it to feel like. Hi. Sorry. Okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot how many trees I cut. Okay, I think this is the 9th one. Honestly, I really need to clean out my farm, so this is honestly kind of the goal. 10. $11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 16. Nice. $17. $18. $19. $20. $21. $22. $23. Okay, I'm at 23. I'm gonna go down to the forest now. I've gotten a good amount of trees on my farm, so there's a little more area, but I do really need to go foraging, look for some new items that can fill my energy bar so I can keep going. Gonna cut this one down anyway. $24. Honestly, I should have removed the fishing pole from my thing and added something to clear more of the grass so I don't have to walk around it. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not. The energy bar isn't on the view. Okay. $25. $26. $27. $28. $29. Oh, that was 30. 31. 32 after this one. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. So 33. 30 trees in a day is honestly crazy. I have never done that in a file before. Or at least, not that I know of, because I never counted them. I forgot to count that. So this is probably 35. No sé. I think that means I don't know in Spanish. $36. Oh my gosh, I got all these maple seeds. I don't have any acorn seeds. But I don't really want to cut anymore. I don't think I'm going to get to, I might just give up on the challenge. Because, wow, I have so much wood now. I'm trying to look for more, foraged items I can take, and I can't find any more. I think I'm gonna call that good, so that I'm, like, able to find my way home. Usually there's something over here. This is nothing. It's already midnight. I think I'm just gonna keep walking. I didn't even pet my cat. I don't think I even watered the bowl. Already doing a bad cat parenting job. Oh. Do I have anything to sell? I don't think I do. I'm at 900 pieces of wood. That's bananas. So originally my goal was to do some mining tomorrow, but I think because it's going to rain, I might end up doing another fishing thing. But that's that. Yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Again, thank you to the people who even watched my videos or subscribed. Yeah, I know this is kind of like a weird setup, but I don't know, just something to, just, my goal is to kind of have it be something in the background if you're playing Stardew Valley, so I hope you're getting, luck in your games and whatever, and in life too. Yeah, thank you again for watching, and whatever else you do, and have a good day. See you in the next one. Bye.